Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. My name is Martyn Warwick and we're here in San Francisco in California at the DPDK Summit 2014. And DPDK stands for Data Plane Development Kit. It's techie stuff, and I'm talking with a technologist, with László, who is a lead software developer with Ericsson. László, welcome. Are there other ways to accelerate software-based packet performance at predictable latency? And if there are, why would you use DPDK in preference to other methodologies?
Yeah, actually there are many ways, but normally network processors are used. I mean, I'm coming from the telecom industry, so we normally use network processors, and that's the way where you can get predictable latency. And it's a question. So normally DPDK is something which actually gives us a way of it's like an engine, so we can use that for ourselves, but we need to use it wisely. So that's what I think. It is like a tool set. So actually we did something on top of DPDK. So we have an implementation on top of DPDK, which can also give you some kind of a predictability. So we are coming from a packet processing area, so it's for us we learned certain rules in that area. So that's what we are adding on top of DPDK. So we need to use that wisely, and that's the message actually.
Let's cut to the chase then. How do you go about building apps with DPDK? What's Ericsson doing? What are you bringing to the whole party?
Yeah, so as I said, we can. So with our tool set, we can enable applications to develop their. So they can quickly develop their applications. So it's like we are giving a tool set on top of DPDK, as I said, with a configuration set. So they can make kind of an abstract description of their application, and that's I think that's unique what we are doing right now. So they just refer to certain memory areas, and it's up to depending on the environment where they are running. They can we can adapt, and so we use DPDK as an engine for that. It's just that how we use it and what tools we give to the application. So they just get simple APIs. We can tweak as a platform. So I would say we're providing a platform for the applications on top of DPDK.
But isn't DPDK a toolkit in its own right?
Yes, it is.
So this is a toolkit.
Yes, but yes. What is still missing, and what we emphasized in our presentation, is for example, the NUMA awareness inside a virtual machine, which is non-NUMA aware, or hiding the real hardware from the application. So a DPDK application need to know. In some sense, it need to know what is the hardware underneath if it wants to allocate memory. And what we are giving on top of it, it's something which helps the application, so we can abstract away. So if we are running in a VM, they can just refer to a virtual port, and it could be a real hardware device, it could be a software queue. So that's what we put on top. But we're still using the DPDK libraries to create the ports and things like that. It's just that an additional management layer which we are adding.
Great stuff. You brought me very nicely into my last question to you, which is, as the virtualized environment continues to emerge and to evolve, and the emphasis on high-performance networking and packet processing and fast packet processing increases, where does DPDK play into NFV, Network Functions Virtualization?
Yeah, so DPDK itself, it's really useful, I guess, because it allows us to use common hardwares, and it's like it is the main engine for NFV applications, I guess. We
know what DPDK can do. What about what it can't do? It can't provide functionality such as firewalling, for example, or IP security, can it?
Yeah, actually it can, but it is the applications which we put on top. So DPDK is just a tool set which you need to use, and that's what I mean. You can implement any kind of features like DPI, firewalls, but that I call an application on top of DPDK.
László, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.